Last year I made a video on 9 things that you don't need in your closet anymore, and so many of you loved it. This is such a weird pile of clothing. My New Year's resolution is to get rid of a lot of clothing in my closet, to just declutter my life and live more like a minimalist. So today I'm sharing with you 9 more items that I think you can get rid of from your closet that you probably don't need anymore. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. Really old bras and underwears. Whenever I wear a white t-shirt, it has that bra line that pops out and it's not cute. I don't even know why I own a push-up bra. There's obviously nothing in here. I have the tiniest boobs, which is why I picked up this push-up bra. Raise your hand if you're in the itty bitty titty committee. But honestly, I never wear push-up bras because I don't like low-cut tops, and I honestly don't really care to show off my cleavage. So this one is definitely going in the donate pile. I've gotten so much wear out of it and I no longer love it anymore. The second item that you could probably declutter from your closet are swimsuits that no longer fit you. I feel like swimsuits fall into a very sensitive category because as a female already, I feel very self-conscious in my skin. Last year, I was planning for a trip to Mexico and I purchased this macrame swimsuit, and I thought this would be the cutest thing ever, you know, for an Instagram picture. Oh! That's really sheer, and I never wore it, and I held on to it for so long trying to figure out what to do with it. I don't like it that much, and it's getting donated. We all have those tops in our closet that are no longer true white. Clothing items where the armpits are just turning yellow, or things with rips that are way beyond repair. If you want to upcycle these items, you could use it as a dirty rag. You could use it to clean the house, to dust. I know this is probably such a weird first world problem. The next category are repeat items. If you have a messy closet like I do, it might be really hard to find items, so it's really important to go through and shop your own closet before you go and pick up new clothing. And I won't see it for a good year or two, and then I'll like uncover it during a huge closet purge like today, and then I'll realize, oh my gosh, I bought like 3 pairs of the exact same thing. So growing up, I was very used to getting hand-me-downs, and although I really appreciated them and I didn't have enough money to buy clothing for myself, I didn't always love them. They're usually way too big for me, kind of not my style, and this is the thing that I kind of carried on doing into my adulthood. Hello! So I have a habit of collecting items from other people's donation piles. The secret is this shirt is actually my boyfriend's. I wore it once and I never wore it again, but I swore to myself that I would figure out something to do with it, and now I have a closet full of clothes that don't match. The fourth category are really fancy and formal dresses. I feel like I'm 5 years old in this dress, like I'm ready for an Alice in Wonderland theme party or something. I feel like I've definitely outgrown this dress. What do you guys think? Ladies, if you have a prom or a wedding, or if you were a bridesmaid, you probably have this super formal gown just hanging in your closet that's too pretty to throw away or donate. Definitely think you should sell it or donate it to a good cause. There are a lot of great ones such as Princess Project, Goodwill, or Salvation Army that will happily take items like this. Sentimental items are by far the hardest thing to get rid of. So I got this dress. It was a gift from my mom, I believe. To the naked eye, this dress might look super cute, but if you come a little closer, you can see that over here, the strap area, it's super sheer. And you can also see my underwear line, which I'm not gonna show you, but this is meant to be worn outside. not a sleep shirt, so I don't know. I think this is definitely gonna be in the donation pile. It's been what, like 10 years since she's gifted this to me. I have such a hard time letting this go because it just reminded me of that great memory. I think the best way to donate sentimental items is to thank it for serving its purpose and, you know, showing that you appreciate it and just letting it go. Take a picture of it, maybe wear it one last time. Here's another example of a sentimental item. So this was hand knit by my grandma. Although I really appreciated the gift and it reminds me of her, I just no longer love it as much as I used to. One thing most people might overlook in their closet are their socks. So I had this thing when I was 18 about wearing really funky, colorful socks. My sister went on a trip to Taiwan and brought back these super cute ones with the bears and polka dots. It's really hard to discard items that are still functional. I'm an adult now, so I'm ready to move on and graduate into, you know, solid color socks. And if you want to find another way to repurpose old socks, you can use these as a fun toy for your pet. So put in 2 tennis balls in there and you can repurpose them. I'm looking around in my closet and I see a lot of free t-shirts, and this is another thing that I feel a lot of people probably have in their closet. So if you're interested in learning some t-shirt hacks or ways you can upcycle t-shirts like this, check out my old video. I'll link it right here or down below. The new year is a great time to go through your purse collection, maybe different accessories that you own. These are great items to donate or sell because they still have some retail value to it, and I don't really like noisy purses like this. I don't want to walk into a room and everyone just notice me because it's going. There's just this thrill to finding a good deal, you know, a top that was like $5 made me so incredibly happy. This year, I want to focus more on sustainable fashion rather than fast fashion. I really want to focus more on quality and items that I really, really love. So if you have any of your favorite sustainable fashion brands or designers, comment it down below. Comment down below some items that you are going to be getting rid of from your closet. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for #cleanwithme this month because I want to adopt more of a minimalist lifestyle and appreciate the things that I already have. I love you guys all so much and have a great and wonderful day. Bye!